What does a food safety consultant actually do? Do you actually need a food safety consultant, or is it just another expense food businesses are told to pay for? Let me clear this up fast. Hi, I'm Felicia Liu, your food safety consultant, helping food businesses understand and meet food safety requirements and pass their audit. Second, we build practical food safety systems that inspectors expect to see, so you are not scrambling right before an audit or inspection. So what does a food safety consultant really do? First, we help you understand what actually applies to your business, not what Google scares you into thinking you need. Third, we help you fix problems before they become violations, saving you time, money, and a lot of stress. Whether you are a startup, growing manufacturer, or an established facility, the goal is not paperwork. It is compliance that actually works in real life. The takeaway is simple. A food safety consultant is not there to complicate things. We are here to simplify, customize, and support your success. Let us help you. Simply book a call with me using the link on the description or give me a call at 1-236-513-2488.